All right, hello everyone. It is your favorite duo here, your girl Mocasso and my favorite adopted avatar Tweety, and we are here to tell you guys all about a cool new tool that we're using as a DAO in order to help track tasks performed by our community members. Now, of course, this is a sticky conversation because we all know that in the world of Web3, regulations is always numero uno, and it's very important to understand what you should be doing and what you should not be doing. So first and foremost, anything that you do for the raw DAO especially is completely for free. There is no payment. There is nothing like that. We are all just building this vision because we believe in the future, and we will be able to build from there. So with that being said, something that we've started to do is simply just organize our tasks. We set goals every week by understanding where we want to be headed, and we want to organize those goals and tasks that anybody in our community can help complete in order to help us get there. So we have some really cool things that we are going to be doing here with Wonderverse. So if you see, this is how you get there. If you have not already joined it, we did just create it, you will see a link here in our Discord chat. So if you come under our governance section down here, so it's kind of close to the bottom, yes, governance, and then tasks. So when you open up tasks, you will see this link here. It is also in the pinned tweet right here behind Tweety. So you can always click on that and get to the Wonderverse from there. It is better to use on the computer, and we will have another review coming in the future more in depth about Wonderverse, how to get it set up, and some of the pros and cons we may have come up with as a community as we've been using it. And that's really our goal with trying out these different tools, understanding that there are communities out here looking for this kind of stuff and trying to figure out how to get it. So here we go. Looking at the Raw DAO's Wonderverse board, first and foremost, you will see that we have some items in the to-do list. If you are not on or in one of our 5 core teams, which we call our glow teams, we have our raw creatives, raw moderators, raw strategists, raw engineers, and also raw educators. So there's one more that should be here. So raw educators, you will not be able to see those in these different pods. So that's the first perk of this kind of tool, because we've organized that in our Discord, and this is where we start to unlock that ecosystem that we talk about as you do move around within our Discord, as you actually onboard officially and start to complete tasks for each of those different focus areas. So and you can see our pods here actually, and they explain which each one of them focuses on. So if you are interested in joining one of those glow teams, this will give you more information about which each of those do. So when you're here on the raw Wonder board, again, it will show you what things are able to be done, what is in progress, and what has already been done, and you're more than welcome to check those out. I did give a little test here and show we are right now very focused on inviting content creators to stream on our Raw TV. If you guys listen to our community call from this past week, that is our major focus here, is getting content creators on here. I did let my book club know that I also run that we are going to be here streaming on Raw TV through the Neos world that we've built, and they are excited as well, and that will be the very first show that is officially set up. So I did put here that I've completed it to kind of get an example on what that would look like. So if you see something like, say you are one of our Raw creatives and you use the theme, we are voting on a theme right now, so say you use the theme here, you can actually go ahead and claim this task here. You can claim it and then submit that you've actually completed it. Now, most importantly, one thing that I will say is the biggest thing you will want to check is actually the bounties. Now, this is because multiple people can claim these. So tasks, these are usually assigned to one person, or only one person can claim it first. So bounties, though, this is where multiple people can claim that. So here again, this is where everybody can invite content creators, and they are worth 10 points. So each content creator that you invite to stream on Raw TV, you will get 10 points for that. And we will talk more in the future about what those points really represent within our community, and again, how that will unlock more access within our community. But just wanted to show you guys a simple tutorial on what this was, what our Raw Wonder Board looked like, and most importantly, to check out those tasks, check out the pods, and check out the bounties. Also, we do have the bot set up, so with each new task that is dropped, you will get an alert here, and when you click on that, you'll just click yep, you want to look at that task, and then you can put in here what you've done to actually do that, and then just make submission. So very simple. Again, I will go over more tutorials about how to claim a task, how to create tasks, how to create your own Wonder Board, but this is just a quick and easy rundown on what it is. It's not scary at all. Again, it is better to use on your desktop. You can connect your wallet or your email address. I did sign up with my email address just as I am testing it out. Again, we do not do any of this for payment of any sort, so it's really not necessary to connect your wallet at this time. And again, just do what you feel comfortable. Do your own research. We are trying out so many different tools, so do your own research. Let us know your pros and cons, and we'll be back with more. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we will see you later. Peace.